Welcome to this guide on how Zopa peer-to-peer lending works. Zopa is a UK-based peer-to-peer lender that allows individuals to lend and borrow money directly with each other, cutting out the banks. Firstly, let's look at how it works from a lender's perspective. Lenders sign up to Zopa and deposit money into their account. They can then choose to lend this money to borrowers with the aim of earning interest on their investment. Zopa assesses the creditworthiness of borrowers and assigns them a credit grade, which determines the interest rate they will pay. Lenders can then choose which credit grade they want to lend to, with higher grade borrowers offering lower interest rates and lower grade borrowers offering higher interest rates. The lender's money is then split into small chunks and spread across multiple borrowers to minimize risk. From a borrower's perspective, the process is straightforward. Borrowers sign up to Zopa and apply for a loan, providing personal and financial information. Zopa then assesses their creditworthiness and assigns a credit grade, which determines the interest rate they will pay. Once the loan is approved, the borrower receives the money and starts making monthly repayments, which include interest and capital. Zopa handles all the administration and collects the repayments from the borrower, passing them on to the lender. Zopa makes money by charging a fee to borrowers and taking a small percentage of the interest paid by borrowers. The benefits of Zopa include lower interest rates for borrowers and higher returns for lenders compared to traditional banks. To get the most out of Zopa, it's essential to understand the risks involved. Lenders face the risk of borrowers defaulting on their loans, which could result in a loss of capital. However, Zopa has a provision fund in place, which helps to mitigate this risk. In conclusion, Zopa peer-to-peer lending provides an innovative way for individuals to lend and borrow money, offering benefits for both parties. By understanding how it works and managing the risks involved, lenders and borrowers can make the most of this platform.